What is good, beautiful people? Welcome to 2022. I'm pretty sure by the time this video is out, it's already 2022. But today is actually December 26th. So y'all have already seen it in the title. I am putting on the exhaust for this car finally. That means I'm about to start up this car today. Before this, real quick, the manual swap was pretty much done. The angle kit is on. I put a raggedy ass, I think it's fake breed, whatever you want to call it, shifter booth. And then here's the magical part. This is the last step for your manual swap if you're doing the same. That is a looped wire. So those two, one is brown, one is green and gray, came off of this connector. If you have a post 95, you'll see number 5 and number 7 on the connector. But if you don't have a post 95 car, just remember you gotta joint this and this together. So this is a bypass of a neutral safety switch. Or you can fancy it up. You can put another brake switch acting as a clutch safety switch behind the clutch pedal. But I'm lazy. I just did the fastest way and the easiest way. So, you know, by looping it up, the computer is gonna think the car is in park at all time. That way it doesn't trigger any weird stuff. I've never done manual swap before, so I think this is gonna work. If it doesn't, well, we're about to find out. And now the only big thing left is the exhaust. So I got the exhaust from Untitled Racing. I ordered it like 2 months ago, but it was in back order. But finally, I got the exhaust in a couple days ago, and I don't even know what it looks like. I mean, I've seen the pictures online, but we're about to see what it looks like in real life. Damn, what is going on over there? Holy! Oh, they used the foam. Oh. That makes sense. Yes. Oh, ew. Oh my god. What? I gotta say, this is somewhat clever, but don't you think it's a little bit unnecessary? Ooh. I like it. This is pretty neat. I mean, it's not too heavy. The wheel seems pretty nice. I like the hanger design. You know what? I've actually had a full titanium exhaust for an S14 before the car got stolen. The exhaust system got stolen along with the car. Long story short, that exhaust, I think, let me see. Yeah, I would say this is not too much heavier than the titanium exhaust, which is pretty impressive. What is this? Oh! Would you look at that? It came with hangers. That's awesome. Man, I'm actually kind of pumped to see how ISR, you know, has been coming up in the past few years. This is dope. Look at that. Like, you know, normally a company wouldn't think about all that. There are 2 of them. And there's a different style hanger for the E36. This is, and the whole system was like $600, $700. It's definitely not the best of the best, but this, for the price you pay, this is awesome. Like, look at the weld. The weld is actually not bad at all. But like I said, it's not perfect, but for the price you pay, I dig it. This is pretty awesome. Look at this. Alright, now let's take a look at the middle section, which is the Y pipe and the cat delete. A new hanger stud. I don't even know what to call it. It comes with everything. And this is the front half of the white pipe, one of them. Here's the other one. Comes with a flex pipe over here. I am genuinely impressed. And by the way, they did not pay me anything. They made me wait for 2 months and I paid the full price. So I'm not sponsored whatsoever. I'm just impressed by the work. Because I've seen exhausts for sale for more expensive than this. According to the pictures that people posted, they weren't that great. I mean, at least not as good as these. And these are cheaper. And this is a whole exhaust system, not just the catback exhaust. So there are 2 O2 bungs, and the 2 front pipes will go into here. Wow. Wow, oh wow. Sorry, I didn't mean to take this long to, you know, jibber jabber before the installation, but I am admiring this piece of work. This is really nicely built. I've seen worse custom made exhaust that cost way more money than this. Alright people, so this is the gasket that I got from FCP Europe. I didn't know the kit comes with a gasket. And I think these are a little bit better than the kit that comes with, the gasket that comes with the kit. So I'm gonna use these instead. And if you paid attention, this is the stock heat shield. I actually spent some extra time to install it because the last time I built an E36, I took it off. I took a lot off. And man, I'm telling you, I have been regretting it since the day I finished the car. It comes out like this. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Ow, 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 ow. That hurts. Quite a lot. Alright, this is by the Smash Thumb. This is how it lays. And it comes out like this. Whew. Alright. Now I know how it goes. I'm gonna tighten everything up. Now I have hand tightened everything up there. Man, it's really beautiful. I like it. Maybe I'll just get like an M3 header someday, just for it to sound better. But it comes out like this. This is not perfect, but because it has a flex pipe, so it moves around a little bit. I'm wondering, how is this gonna work? I mean, oh, I see now. Now I know what is that extra stud is for. Okay, hold on, I'll be right back. I got it. So I was wondering, what is this piece for? Now I get it. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to take this piece off, install this one, and then put the hanger over here. And then the hanger connects to, you know, the hanger on the exhaust on the other side. Smart design. Wow, I'm just getting more and more impressed. This is really well thought out. Holy. Man, I love this thing. I love this kit. Thank you, ISR. Thank you so much for coming up with this really gorgeous piece of work. I'm impressed. I'm so impressed. So I've attached the exhaust hanger on this already. And just in case if you're wondering if the kit comes with the extended bolt for this, it doesn't. But since it got rid of the hanger that was supposed to come down from here, you know, it frees up one of these bolts. This is a 13mm hex bolt. And as you can see, it bolts up nicely. There you go. See? Now you insert the bolt. The one that you don't need anymore, use it over here. And by the way, in the kit, this one is bigger than the other two. This one is for the end of this section, just so you know. Alright, now all of the bolts are sort of up. Not tightened at all, but I'm just gonna leave it like that and then move on to the final section. This replace this. This is the stock exhaust hanger. I've been hating it ever since I got into E36. This is really like such a weird design. Like, I don't understand. But this, you gotta bolt these two up where the stock hanger bolts up to. You bolt it up like this, right? This way. And then you just use the regular exhaust hangers that they provide over here. And bam. Simple solution. So easy. Like, I don't understand why the stock E36 doesn't use this kind of design. It's just, they have to come up with something like this. Like, why? Now just grease up the tip, and then grease up the hole where the tip goes into. Finger it real good. That was so childish. Alright, now wipe up your finger. Alright, let's install the final section. It's finished. It's done. Like, I'm pretty sure without filming I can get it done in like 15 minutes. This is so easy. Take a look. That is so beautiful. The only thing I have something to say is the exit angle is a little bit too far left. But other than that, there isn't much to complain about, really. I'm pretty sure once I tighten it up, it's going to fix up the angle a little bit. If not, I'll just trim this down. Takes like 5 minutes. Alright, I'm actually nervous right now. Moment of truth. I'm about to start up the car. So, my foreigner's over there. I'm gonna attach the battery from the foreigner to the trunk. Where's the battery at on the E36? And then, fingers crossed, I hope it can start up. First try. Alright, now I'm gonna start up the foreigner. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. All of the yes. I'm so happy right now. Ooh, I hope I hit record. Yes, I did. I love it. I love it. I love every single moment of it. I'm so happy right now. This car has literally been down for, I would say, at least 2-3 months. I mean, there is no reason for it to not start up, but it's the result of all of the hard work that makes everything feel so good. I'm so happy right now. I'm so fucking happy right now. But yeah, the exhaust sound good. it sounds really good. And see, as I was talking about, once I tightened it up, it left a little bit of gap on the left side now. But I still don't think it's enough. So I'm gonna open it up to like over here, and then maybe put some gold reflecting tape around it, just so that it doesn't catch on fire. Oh, by the way, I put the M3 side skirt on it. Looks pretty good, but it's kind of wonky. The car pretty much is done. Just here and there small stuff that I need to work on for it to be track ready. But as for now, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining me in this journey. I'm so glad that I finished this car up. Hopefully next video is going to be this car running on the street or on the track. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.